You cheap little...
What
You remember that ring you got me? That golden ring?
I don't remember getting you one.
Well, you got me one. 7 carats. 7 freaking carats. 7 carats my butt. My butt is worth 7 carats.
You know how much 7 carats costs?
Yeah, my butt.
No, it costs $5,400.
What
Just
did you say? How much money you spent on her? How much money did you spend on her last night? Those weren't my underwear.
Why would I look in your underwear?
Those weren't my underwear. Those weren't mine. So I would never, ever spend my money on such a lowly piece of black underpants.
Okay, one thing. Let me get one thing out.
Those panties look like they fit here? I didn't think so.
One thing. Give me a chance to speak. Step 1, I never bought you underwear. Step 2.
I didn't say you did.
Hold on, let me speak. Step 2, you were so expensive, you bought a dress for $5,000.
And the dress is slim.
I don't care.
And let me just say, that girl you was smoothing all up last night, and she left her underwear there. Be sure to tell my button.
Shh. Wait, never mind. I was not. That was my best friend. That was my friend I was hanging out.
Oh, so you find just leave her underwear all the things.
And by the way, that was not a girl.
So you're looking at other people, other girls' underpants. Is that it?
No.
You look at underpants, you can look right here.
No thank you. I don't.
Stupid.
Okay, you need to calm down, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am your wife.
I've never been married.
I am your wife.
No, I'm not.
I am your wife.
No, you're not.
We have a son.
We
gave birth to him.
Where is he anyway?
That's cool.
It's like 5 o'clock, almost 5
He's
o'clock.
in bed.
Go get him then.
He's dead.
Okay, what is it? Is
he died during birth.
Okay, hold on.
A week ago.
Hold on. Okay, why would you say he's at school? Why did you say he's in bed? And why would you say he's dead?
His bed was buried in his coffin under the school.
Why was he buried at the school though?
Because that was his favorite place to be. He loved to learn.
Yeah.
He was buried there so he could learn the rest of his dead life.
Yeah, don't even. You're not my wife.
How about these Triscuits? These Triscuits? Look at me better. You are full.
All you do is drink beer, so I do all the hard work. I clean the house.
You see this cat? You see this cat?
Yes.
My cat.
Actually, that's my cat. Your cat is the I thought your cat is Tiger.
My cat.
Me.
Ow! Stupid cat. Get out here.
See?
Look at your shit.
Are you drunk? Again? Dude.
Pineapple.
Dude.
I ain't never drink in my life.
See that
What's
cat?
wrong with again? Oh yeah, the underwear.
No, we're not being drunk. We're not talking about
Where'd
the
my underwear go again? I only am wearing mine.
We're not talking about the underwear, dude. And
Where I get this rich?
You bought it.
Women.
Yeah, you've been drinking.
Who are you again? Oh yeah, you're my husband.
No, I'm not. I'm just someone on per.
Oh yeah, who is he?
Your husband.
Oh heck! Now, I ain't never seen that man in my life. I would never,
cheat?
Pop there. Well, I'm gonna say cheat.
See, you were thinking about it. You did cheat.
How dare you! How dare you accuse me of cheating on him? I mean you. Well, I didn't. Somebody hold my earrings. You got earrings.
Yeah, and
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
you're naked. Josh.
Let's go.
Really? Before you dress at me?
Let's go. Where we at again? Where's my underwear? Where's my underwear?
Hey, here's your underwear.
Oh, that's my. No, that's not my underwear. Where'd you get my dress? Pervert? Where am I again? Who are you?
I'm no one. I'm just a guy that you kidnap.
Who bought me this crappy dress?
You did. You stole my money too.
Stole your money? Ha! My money.
No?
Oh, it's my mine. I'm married to a bum.
Yes, you're a bum.
It all belongs to me.
No, it does not.
I'm Miss Obama.
You Miss Obama?
I am married to Obama. Everything's mine.
Well, do you know Obama is not going to go anywhere?
Obama's gonna be next Hitler.
You know
He's gonna
Hitler.
move to Germany.
You know Hitler was evil, right?
Hitler was my father.
Hitler. Okay, why are you at my house anyway?
Because you're my husband.
No, I'm not your husband.
Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
What's that thing you're holding?
A phone.
What's a phone?
You never heard of a phone before?
No. Why are you in my dressing room?
This is actually the living room, and your dressing room is around the corner.
Well, let me just say, never read my dressing room.
Nope. Pretty much, I'm thinking about kicking you out.
Kick me out in my dressing room? You kidding me?
No, I'm gonna kick you out of the house.
I am your daughter.
Donna?
I am your daughter.
Daughter? Really? Okay, I don't get...
Sorry, Pops. I gotta go talk to my boyfriend. I'm coming, David. Hitler, whatever your name was.
Okay, what the crap is going on with it? Okay,
One more thing.
what is it?
Where are my underwear? Ah, there they are.
Ooh, underwear. What the...
Perfect. Ah, crap.
You're something more...
Perfect.
Are you pregnant?
Oh, gosh. There's my underwear. There's my underwear.
That's actually my underwear.
There's my underwear.
That's actually mine.
Here's my underwear.
Are you gay?
Here's my underwear. Here's my underwear.
Are you...
Here's my underwear.
What the crud?
There's my underwear. There.
Woman, get out of my house.
There is my underwear.
It looks so long.
Looks slimming.
It looks...
Oh, sorry.
It looks so long.
Gotta put my dress over my over my underwear.
It looks so long.
Over my underwear. Over my underwear. Over my underwear.
And that's my water.
Over my underwear.
Actually, that's my water.
Oh, that's true.
Under what? Over my under? Where? Where'd you get your money again?
I'm not going to tell you where I keep my money. You're not my wife. You're not my daughter. You're just a random girl.
Well, you see here, boy. There's time in every woman's life. If she realizes she's actually his man, that's yay. See ya. I'm out. See you later. I'm free. I'm a free man. Going home. I'm going home.
I didn't get that last part.
I did.
And cut it.